If you want to use reverse wireless charging on the Samsung Galaxy S26, what you can do is, first of all, we can go to settings. Over here in settings, if you go to the battery settings, then you should be able to find the wireless power sharing option. So of course we can just turn it on, and then you should be able to place your phone like that. So of course the back is visible over here, and now we can place another device on the back over here on the center of this phone to start charging it. Of course, keep in mind that in order to make it work, that other device that you are trying to charge, it has to support wireless charging as well. But if I place it now, one on the top of the other, we should be able to start charging pretty easily. Let's see if it's going to work. And there we go. I had to adjust it a little bit, but after all, I managed to start charging. So I can lift it up and place it again. There we go. So it works just fine. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.